Hi everyone, it's Tyra, your arts teacher. For today, we will teach you how to draw tulips in a field using brush pens and ink. So for today's episode, we will only be using 5 colors to create our artwork. Here are the materials that we need for our drawing session. So, are you ready? Now here is our finished product. Ta-da! Our tulips in a field. I hope you've had fun creating this masterpiece as we've had fun doing it for you. I hope to see you again in our next art session. This is Tyra'nell Pille-Lu from EBC Japan Bureau. We live in interesting times.
How'd you like the video? Make sure you leave us a comment down below on what you'd like to see us do next. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social media @DigitalNet. See you in the next video.